In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your interior door handle on your Ford Taurus. It's located on all your doors. Okay, so we're going to remove, there's usually a little plastic grommet thing. You're going to take that out so you can access that screw, and we're going to also take off the door panel. All right, so we're going to take out our screws out of the door panel using a Phillips head screwdriver, or if you have a drill, you can use a drill with an extension on it. Now we're going to go around the door panel and find the rest of them. I'm going to go underneath. There's one over there. Okay, and then we're going to take a short screwdriver and undo this last one. And put that off to the side. Now we're going to take out this bolt up here using a 6mm socket. All right, so now you're going to slide your trim tool in the door panel, right at this top corner. And so take it out of the fastener and then work your way down. At this point, I usually go by feel. I run my finger down and then I find the next one. Sometimes you can give it a good yank and it'll come out. Other times you need a trim tool, depending on the door panel. This one looks like you can probably give it a good yank. And now I'm going to work my way to on the bottom and over to the side. So you're just going to pull it. Okay, so now we're going to take this off just by sliding your trim tool in. Just to give you a little access. There is a little screw down here that we have to take off. Okay, take that out. All right, so once you get to this point, you're going to slide the door panel this way, like that, to unhook it from the door handle. So now we're going to disconnect our electrical harnesses. And you can either leave it like that, or you can disconnect all of them. If they're in your way and you need more space, you're just pushing in the tab and pulling out. Then you can take this and put it off to the side. Okay, so now you can peel back this protective cover. Take the rubber stuff with you, because you're going to want that to re-stick it to the door. I usually just pull it down enough to get to what I'm getting to. And we're going to need to drill out this rivet. Okay, I'm going to take this off so I can get a good peek. All right, so to get this rivet out, you're just going to find a drill bit that's slightly larger than the rivet itself, and hopefully just drill off the head of the rivet so that you can pop it out on the other side. Okay, once the head is off of that rivet, you can take a very skinny flathead screwdriver or a trim tool and separate it away. Wiggle it out. These two slide in this way. So to take it out, you push it forward and then pull it away, and now you can disconnect your cable. Once you get the door handle away, you're going to push the cable down this way. Don't break anything. Okay. And then it comes out. You just got to make sure your cable is lined up with this right here, so that when you put it this way, you can take it out. So I'm going to show you in slow motion, since that popped out so quickly. You'll see when I install it that this has to be like that, and you're opening the handle like that so that you can slide it out. All right, so now I'm just going to knock the rest of this rivet out. There we go. All right, once you punch it out, you can dig at the bottom of the door with a magnet, or if you see it, you can just grab it and take it out. Okay, so here we are. We're going to install our cable. Slide it through. All right, so just make sure you place that in there before putting it back in. We are going to line up our plastic slides like that. Okay, once you have a good hand on that, you're going to push your rivet through. All right. Okay, now that you've done this one, the process is the same for the rest of the doors on this vehicle. So now you can put your foam back on your door handle. And at this point, we can put our door panel back on. All right, so we're going to connect all our connectors back. Then we're going to swing our door panel around. Upside down to right side up. Put our padding back in and start to line everything up. So that means your door handle needs to come through. So we're going to pull that out. Your rod for the door lock has to be fed through the top here. Okay, once you get that, you're going to try to get that clip back there and slide the door a little back into the clip. Then you're going to line up your top grommet there. If you're having trouble keeping your door lock where it belongs for the final push, you can put your plastic piece back on it, and that'll extend it up higher. Okay. Use a socket to get it started, so you can reach in there. And now we can tighten that down, hand tight. Wrist tight, I mean. All right, so now we can put the rest of the door panel on, lining up the grommets, working your way around to the bottom, putting that back. And now we can put our screws in. I'm going to start with this one up here, just so we can hold it in place. And that's that. All right, so now it's time to get in the car and see how your door handle works. All right, our door handle works.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.